Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I'm trying to get 1,000 subscribers so we can get partner with YouTube, and it's getting there. It's slowly, but it's getting there. I just need your help to please subscribe if you haven't. So it's free, it doesn't cost you anything, but it helps us a lot. Alright, so now let me show you the room. And this is how it looks just when you enter. You have the bed on the right. Let me take out my shoes. Anyway, guys, so the room is it's pretty nice, huh? Yeah. It's pretty nice.
Huge.
Yeah. So let's show them outside. No, let's go to the bathroom here. Let's get to the bathroom. So once before you get to the sink area, it has some kind of like complimentary.
So you have coffee, and then here
closet with umbrellas. And we have a sleep. What is it called? Sandals. Yeah, safety deposit there. Is that the fridge? Yeah, it is the fridge. Anyways. It's okay, and they lock it so we don't get anything.
Oh no, it is the fridge.
There you go, that's the fridge. Anyways, the sink is pretty nice. Look at this one. Has mirror, both sides, three-dimensional. It doesn't open. Anyway, that's the bathroom, shower, and the toilet. Actually, the showers looks nice and clean, old tile. Yeah, it's all tile, and it looks very nice and clean. That's what most people are looking for, you know. Bathroom nice and clean, you know, because so far I think the last room that has been nice is the one Kawayan. That's a better looking bathroom than Manila. Anyway, nightstand both sides. This is the room from the different angle, which is probably a better view because the light is coming in from the outside. And then, if we go outside, we go to the jacuzzi, which is all dirty from the dust. No, it's just paint. But the lady at the front desk came to show us, and it looks very nice. Anyway, so sitting area here if you wanna eat breakfast in private, and then a rack to put your wet clothes, and then that is bamboo all around, and then of course cover area for the second floor over there. Anyway, guys, that is a room, and it cost $310. $310 for 4 nights and 5 days or whatever how it works. You have to check out on the 5th day. Yeah, so yeah, 300. So how much is that? Like $50, $60 per night, something like that. Around there. It's like $50 per night, which is and the beach is just right there. I'll show you later on, but it's not far. It's just walking distance right across. I can see it on the map. It's just next to us, and we were driving to the hotel. It's just on the side. Anyway, so this is room, $310 for 4 nights, and yeah, I don't think it's very expensive. It looks very nice. We haven't really explored anything yet. We just got here and check in, and they let us check in early, or we had to pay more. Yeah, we didn't have to pay, so yeah, that's a good. They're very nice, very professional at the front desk. So it's just noon, yeah, because we left really early from Manila, so we got here 2 hours before checking in. So and they let us check in with no problem.
There are not that many people yet. That's why for the breakfast they do plates instead of.
Oh, okay, yeah, because we got the room with breakfast included. Anyway, guys, We are on our first adventure outside the resort. The pool is nice. At least I get some sun. That part over there, and it's warm over here, so I don't think you will get cold. Hello. All right, so we're trying to find a way to go to the beach. It's a little street over here to go to the beach. The resort, Heaven's Suites Resort, yeah. But the beach is just right there, guys. It's not far from the hotel. Alright. Look at this, guys. The beach is just so amazing, huh? Look at this, guys. I think I'm gonna go to the water, Corazon. We can eat later.
Jerry's.
Anyways. All right, so yeah, the water is beautiful, you know, like it's just clear, crystalline clear. Not many people like I would think this place will be, you know. But it's a lot. It's still a lot, you know. Right, we're gonna go eat, guys, and I think that we're gonna miss the entrance, so we have to go through here. To go to the top. Hello. Yeah, it's fine. Alright, guys, we just finished eating. I'm super full. Actually, there was a lot of food. We had left over a lot because we couldn't finish. She ordered soup and it was a humongous bowl of soup. And then I ordered fried chicken, like a spicy fried chicken, and it was too many pieces. It's like maybe 6 pieces or so, and I couldn't finish them all. I just left that over there. Along this beach, you know, you find a lot of restaurants, a lot of bars, you know, and then of course the beach, you know, it's under the shade, so you don't have to really worry about the sun walking along next to the restaurants and bars. But of course, if you go to the beach, that's where the sun is gonna get you, you know, it's really hot. So we're just asking police officer security that, if it was allowed to fly a drone. And it's not allowed, but you could get a permit?
Yeah, you could get a permit, but you have to go to the municipal or in barangay. And then also, if you flew a drone without a permit, you can get penalized about 2,500 or above.
Oh, okay, so probably people just go through the pen. If they get caught, you know, they can pay the fine instead of going through the trouble of getting the permit. Because it's a hassle. Yesterday we tried on Manila, right? Yeah. And the phone number provided in the office, the police officer office, they give us a form where they has the phone number and the email address to contact the people who is in charge of whatever permit we needed to get. We called the phone number, doesn't work. We sent an email, I still haven't got a response, so we'll see if maybe in the next couple of days we can get an email back, a response from that. Right now I'm just showing you here along this beach, between the businesses along the way, but my main purpose is to swim. I like to swim a lot, and probably I'm gonna rent a paddleboard, and then I don't know what else we're gonna do, like get a tour? Yeah. We'll see. We'll see. We just got here today, so we had no idea what to do. Or at least we just wanted to take it easy today, getting to know the place. Just walking along here. They have paddleboarding over there and those canoe. Can we ask how much? See for tomorrow. It seems that they have several, like a little station here that you can ask how much. 250 for the paddleboard. No, 300 for the paddleboard. 15 minutes only. So 15 minutes for 300 baht. I mean 300 baht.
No.
300 pesos. Right?
No, for the kayak, it's 250.
Yeah, 200 for the kayak.
15 minutes. The paddleboard, 300 for 30.
30 minutes, okay. So yeah. Well, time goes faster. Well, it's just because people, they use it for pictures, you know. They just want to take the picture and go. I do it because I want to just have fun, you know. Paddleboarding, not just take pictures. So anyway, I'm thinking that's why they do that.
Wow!
Oh, the sand feels so good, guys.
Now you happy?
No.
Now we came here.
Anyway, guys, to get to Boracay, there's a lot of documentation to do, you know. At least for us, in our experience was, we get to the airport, and then since we don't know, of course, you know, people will get us. So we got to this, they have some booth or stands right in the airport where you get in the shuttle to drop you off at the hotel, any hotel that you need to go, and then you have to pay the environment fee. What else?
Terminal.
The terminal fee, which is like 75 pesos or so, plus the terminal fee, which is less than 100. So both those fees are less than 100 pesos, but the shuttle to round trip, we pay for round trip because we don't know the place here, so we just want to have something ready to go when we need to go back to the airplane, to the airport. Anyway, so for us the total was 3,400
For
pesos.
the transfer, they call it transfer.
They call it transfer.
Because you go from the airport to the pier and then from the pier to your hotel.
Yeah.
I mean
So
to Boracay, of course, to any hotels in Boracay.
now, I don't know if we really need to pay that much, but maybe you can get one of those tricycles to get
To the pier.
from the airport to the pier, and then pay to get to the pier to cross over here to Boracay, and then get another tricycle. If you want to deal with that, you know, we just didn't want to go with that because we didn't know. We don't know the place, so it's something easy, you know. But anyways, I think it was a little bit expensive, but I don't know. I
But
never.
They have options at least.
Yeah.
Well, for us, it's a bit more expensive because you're a foreigner.
Yeah, I'm a foreigner, guys. Even though I look like them, you know.
Charge you.
For her, even though she has a passport, U.S. passport, but because she speaks the language, you know, it was local,
Yeah, local price at least.
local price, which is good. They still save me some money, corazón.
Yeah, that's what I say. It's just you.
It's just me that's expensive. Man, I always get bad luck everywhere I go. Like, not just bad luck, but the thing is, I look like them. I look like Thai. I look like Philippines. I look like Indian. I look like anyone in Southeast Asia probably. But when it comes to pay, you know, they make me pay like a foreigner. They make me pay, you know, but they treat me like sometimes I'm like a local, you know. Hey, they talk to me in Filipino, for example, but not when it comes to pay. We were planning to go back actually tomorrow to Thailand, but we decided just to come here at Boracay and have some fun, and that's what we're doing right now, just making this video for you guys, and maybe later on we will come and just swim, have some fun, maybe eat again.
Also,
You're so full? Okay, good, save me some money. I'm not, because I wasn't planning to eat. I usually don't eat, guys. I usually just eat once per day, and then eat some snack maybe later on. But that's me, you know. My wife likes to eat all the time, as many as she can. But she doesn't eat a lot, so that's a good thing, at least. Yeah.
I get hungry.
Anyway, guys, we're gonna continue walking, and that is how it is right now here in Boracay. There are many people, but not too many. That's why they said there is not many tourists yet. So if you want to come to the Philippines, enjoy some sunshine, white sand beaches. It's just the life, you know, live your life, get away from work, you know, if you can, of course. You know, I know a lot of people, of you guys have a lot of responsibility, you know, and may not be able to travel as you wanted to, but do some planning, you know, like do some financial planning, you know, like I have no debt, you know, except my mortgage. I pay off everything I needed to pay off. You know, we sold our cars, you know, new car, we sold it. Both car, my son's car, I sold it too. You know, so we don't have to, well, my son's car is paid off already, you know, because I bought it cash. But the other new car, we were making payments, so we sold it. We had no debt. So that's you know, one of the ways that you can save money and travel. Pay everything that you can, don't get on that, you know, so you can enjoy things like this. Beautiful beaches, you know, beautiful places to go to. Just do some planning. Don't get into debt. That's the key right there. Don't get into debt. All right, guys, I think I'm gonna finish this video here because I just wanted to show you a little bit when we get to the hotel and then coming to this beach, because I was so excited to come, just showing you the white sand and the crystalline water. But anyway, guys, we're gonna keep vlogging. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I'm trying to get 1,000 subscribers so we can get partner with YouTube, and it's getting there. It's slowly, but it's getting there. I just need your help to please subscribe if you haven't. So it's free, it doesn't cost you anything, but it helps us a lot, you know, to continue making more content for you guys to watch, new places, even places that you have seen before in other YouTubers. Probably you didn't hear a new thing that happened, how they got here, for example, how much did they pay and stuff like that. But anyway, guys, tomorrow is another day, a new adventure. So don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.